Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by being realistic. Google Play is not natively supported on iOS, so you must choose an allowed path. You should update iOS and back up the device, then decide whether to use web access to Google Play content, install equivalent iOS apps, or obtain an Android device. Once decided, prepare accounts and data transfer tools. Make sure to avoid attempts to bypass Apple verification or jailbreak. Those risk security, warranties, and data integrity. You now pursue legitimate workarounds. Open the Google Play website in Safari to browse and manage purchases, which sometimes lets you access app listings. Alternatively, use reputable cloud Android services or virtual device providers to run Android apps remotely. This keeps your iPhone intact. Also check the App Store for official Google apps or functionally equivalent iOS alternatives. As you proceed, verify privacy policies and trustworthiness. These methods avoid compromising your phone or violating terms. Complete the process by testing your chosen route with a free app or small purchase, and confirm everything syncs correctly. If you hit sign-in or access blocks, recheck credentials, two-factor authentication, and account recovery options before making changes. If problems persist, contact Apple or Google support for guidance. Do not attempt bypasses. Key troubleshooting tip. Try a different network or device to isolate whether the issue is account-related or device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.